Welcome to the Certificate 4 in Laboratory Techniques information session. In this information session, we will look at the industries that employ laboratory technicians, the Certificate 4 in Laboratory Techniques, career pathways, how the course is delivered, the enrolment process and fees, and we'll give you some contact information for other questions. For over 80 years, Kangan has delivered industry-specific vocational education. Kangan is one of the largest and most trusted training providers. Please visit kangan.edu.au for more details about vocational education at Kangan. Laboratory science is an exciting and constantly changing field. For example, right now, laboratories are working on making new vaccines, finding cures to diseases, making food safer, and monitoring environmental contamination. There are many industries that rely on laboratory technicians for test results. For example, a food laboratory uses laboratory test results to ensure that the food is safe to eat. An environmental laboratory uses laboratory test results to check for pollutants. A medical laboratory may perform blood tests to check for diabetes, cholesterol, and other health problems. And a forensic laboratory uses laboratory test results to find evidence at a crime scene. A Certificate 4 in Laboratory Techniques can lead to many career opportunities. As a laboratory assistant or technician, you will learn many highly skilled techniques, use specialized equipment, solve problems, interpret test results, and record information into the laboratory management system. With a Certificate 4 in Laboratory Techniques, you can start work in industry as a qualified laboratory assistant or technician. Or if you wish to do further study, you can use your Certificate 4 in Laboratory Techniques as an entry point into the Diploma of Laboratory Technology, or possibly into a Bachelor in Biomedical Science, or complete further study in Laboratory Science. Here is the pathway for obtaining a Certificate 4 in Laboratory Techniques. You have expressed an interest in laboratory science and are now completing an information session. You will then be given information about how to enrol, the fees, course structure, and delivery. Please note that work placement is optional in this course. The Certificate 4 in Laboratory Techniques can be completed full-time within 12 months, or you can complete it part-time over a 2-year period. Students at Kangan learn via online tutorials, face-to-face classes, hands-on practical work, and by visiting industry laboratories. The Kangan teaching staff have extensive industry experience, having worked in research, pathology, food, and environmental laboratories. Students learn mainly online, either at school or at home, and this is supported with face-to-face classes, hands-on practical work, and visits to laboratories. Classes are small, so there's good interaction between students and teachers. Then students are assessed on both their laboratory knowledge and their practical skills. To be awarded the Certificate 4 in Laboratory Techniques, you need to complete a total of 15 units of competency. Here is a list of the 15 units of competency that you'll need to complete. Completing these units will provide you with the skills and knowledge required of a laboratory technician, including workplace communication, laboratory safety procedures, sampling procedures, testing procedures for chemical, biological and microbial samples, and quality control procedures. Classes run on Tuesdays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. On Tuesdays, theory classes cover general laboratory skills such as safety, quality control, and sustainability. On Wednesdays, practical classes cover biological and microbial testing, aseptic and microscope techniques. And on Fridays, practical classes cover chemical and food testing, solution preparation, and calibration. At present, the course fee is $3,785 for a government subsidised place and $1,096 for a concession place. Please check with Student Administration for up-to-date fees. For a government subsidised place, you'll need to be either an Australian citizen, have a permanent visa, or be a New Zealand citizen. And if you are over 20 years old, you'll need to be upskilling your qualification. For a concession place, you'll need to be either a concession or pension card holder or be of Aboriginal or Torres Strait Island descent. The enrolment process requires you to obtain a unique student identifier, complete a literacy and numeracy assessment, pay fees, and provide relevant documents listed here. Please contact Human Services to see if you are eligible for a healthcare card. You are now halfway in your pathway to obtaining a certificate in laboratory techniques. Hopefully, you are now ready to enrol and commence your studies. For assistance with your enrolment, please contact the administration team via the email and/or phone number listed here. For other course inquiries, please contact Kangan via the email and/or phone number listed here. Thank you.